and 300 soldier lads, out of the morning mist and through the silent snow. Whistling gaily rides the captain at their head, behind them soldier boys sadly weeping go. For when you took my gold and swore to follow me, sold away your lives and your liberty. No more you'll till the soil, no more you'll work the land, no more to the dance you'll go and take girls by the hand. Oh, mothers weep for your sons, they have gone to kill and die. You'll weep, you'll die by the keen edge of the sword, all alone by the muddy Danube shore. They gave the order for the drummers to beat their drums, that mothers all might know the life a soldier lives. Unfurl your ragged banners and raise your pale young face. You'll all go in the fire, there'll be no hiding place. Oh, mother, hear that drum beat in the village square. Oh, mother, that drum's for me to go for soldier there. Mothers, sisters, wives,